Hi girls, this is Shehla. I'm back with another tutorial. It has been a while. We all have been in quarantine. I was particularly put off by quarantine. I didn't like quarantine. I had a kind of I did not feel good about it, and it was just like it was a soul cleansing time, but at the same time I hated it. So I'm back. I wanted to film this tutorial for a while now, so I'm not sure what I will be doing today. Maybe a quick tutorial. I have been having a few of the spots here. These have been the acne that I have been having here and there. So these are the spots, and I will keep on putting my niacinamide on it so that they get better with time. They will definitely fade in about 6 months or so. They always take a lot of time. So what we are going to do today is we are going to start with this primer, which is the Pore Delete. Now for the foundation, I will use my favorite product, which is Shiseido. It's a sports BB. I am going out, so it will be perfect for going out in the sun. It's very hot, about 38, 39 degrees, but it feels like 51 degrees, like a bad kind of weather. I'll be using this Real Techniques brush. So it has a very light coverage, medium to light coverage. It is buildable, but I like to use it lightly and then put on my concealer where needed. Going in with the concealer I will be using is Tarte. I'm using light medium shade. So it goes in here, 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 here. And then I will go in where needed. Once again, with the blender, brows. I will first them to get the right exact shape that I want, so that I am lining under it first. The pencil I am using is by Colourpop. Highly effective, pocket friendly. So I am darkening it a bit to get it more shaped, mostly to get it more shaped and filled in with the pencil. Bit of the foundation, the concealer, and it goes in here again, here where I need it more, here, 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 wherever I feel I would like to go more, and then I will go in with the beauty blender. And now I'm going in on the eyelids. What it will do will be application of the contour. This is the contour palette I'm using. It is by Pore, one of the best palettes that go in and all three here, like this. Let's go in here on the top, then some here to give a lift to the eyes, a little bit of it here. I don't need it much here. This is the best, the spot where I need to get most of the dark color so that my chin recedes, and it has a visible difference before and after. You can see it receding here. So this is the point where my contour comes in and really helps, really helps along the nose. Next step will be application of a blusher. I will be using Coralista. This is by Benefit, one of the nice coral shade. And I would like to enhance I will go over my contour and along the high points. over here. We are trying to get the color, but at the same time we are trying to get the lift with the blusher. So this is the best way to get the lift with the blusher. Go higher over here. Most of the product goes here and the less it comes down. This is how it looks now. You can see now the eyes, they look pretty bland, so I will use this by Melted Chocolate by Too Faced. So of course chocolate shade, and I am only putting in just a little bit. What I am doing is actually a very simple way of giving some enhancement to the eyes by using one shade only. I haven't even contoured my eyes today. So the next step will be application of this Shehla Zahid Champagne Diamonds in the inner corner. Go in with a gold liner, gold, dull gold. This is by Urban Decay for the inner waterline. How it looks. For this Shehla Zahid pencil, I am trying to create a wing here and just a little bit in here, and then the same goes on the, I am going halfway only, a little bit down, pull, nice wing. Now I will clean this bit a little bit. So the next part is the highlighter, Alamasca one. The smaller your brush is, the more beautiful finish you get, because you have more control. So the more any nude pencil will do. Any nude will do, any nude. Applied my mascara. I used Sephora Size Up Color Pop. It was to enhance my eyebrows further, cute, because they were looking a bit dull, and with this setting it has a gel as well, so it works relatively nicely, very well on the brow. Look, this is how much I will get ready if I'm going out in summers, and I'm going to finish my makeup with this Max Factor long lasting spray, and that's it. And this will dry up, and that's it for the day. I can powder if I like. I don't like the powder mostly, but I will only powder slightly where I applied my concealer in the T-zone. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is one of the new quickies, like maybe 10 minutes, under 10 minutes makeup, because I was talking, so it took a little longer than that. Otherwise it is not the makeup that will take more than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do coming back to my Just Makeup reviews. Please follow me on my platforms. Love you all.